Okay, so let's get start on the string handling. We are already in the string handling. We completed a few methods already. String handling programs. A lot of methods, length method. I don't know whether you get a time or not. So length method, caret method, two-char array method, two lowercase, two uppercase, so and concat method, and we have so split method we have seen, and we have to see now replace all and replace methods we have to see. So starts with, ends with, contains, equals method. So these are all methods we have seen already. So today we'll discuss on replace all and replace method. So a split method already we know that's a very important. You're going to use that. And then we have a replace all. So replace all is, for example, see in any string. So same occurrence is appearing in multiple places. You want to replace all of them with a different character or a string. Then you will use a replace all. So replace is, you want to replace one string with other new string. So existing string or character, you want to replace with a new string or new character. Then you will use a replace. Only that place it will replace. That's a replace method. So whenever you want to replace something in the string with a new string, you can use a replace or replace all. So you will get another string will generate, new string will create. So that's the replace and replace all purpose. Here you see, so I'm replacing in the S1 means Java Selenium. I'm replacing with so Java I'm replacing with the Python. So that means you will get this one will return to you a new string, that is Python Selenium. You will get a Python Selenium. So, and replace all I already mentioned. So here I am replacing all these commas with empty space. So that's the replace all. And we have a trim method. We have a trim method. Removes the head and tail portion of the spaces. That's a trim. You're trimming the spaces in the beginning and end, but not in the middle. So middle of the words, it won't remove the spaces. Only head and tail portion only, the spaces will be removed by trim method. So you call, say it is a spaces here. So that spaces you can trim with trim method. And that will give you a new string. And so again, this is the return. I told you every string method is a return type method. No void. Every string method is a return type method. It returns a value. So that's why you see everywhere I'm this method when you call the return type and variable assignment operator and the method we are calling. That means this will return a value that I'm storing here. The data type of this variable is a string type. So next, index of method. So index of method, it fetches the index of the given character or a string in the main string. Okay, which position this character is there in the string, or which so position this substring is available in the string. So that is the number you will get. This returns a integer value. So that's why return type of this method is integer. Index variable equal to s1 dot index of v. So Java Selenium. So v is in which place? I'm asking index. So that will give you the index. Java 0, 1, 2. So Java is in, so v is in the second index. And so again, Selenium. So in S1 dot index of selenium, word I am giving. See, I am giving character, I am giving a word also. So Java selenium. So selenium in which position? Fourth position. So that fourth will be given to you. So that's the index of method. Whenever you want a index of any character or string, you can use index of method. So last index of method. Last index of method. So which fetches the last occurrence or index of a character or a string and which returns a integer again. Last index of. So int. So last index. So S1 dot last index of E. So the character E, so which gives, okay, so in this Java Selenium, E last index you need to find out. That will be given here. So system.out.println E last index S1 is L index. So you can get the last index of this E. So there is a get bytes method. So which fetches the byte value of each character. So if you call on the string object dot get bytes, all these methods you can call on the string variable only. So string variable dot method. So this method returns a byte array. So that byte array I'm printing the, so each byte value. So this in the S means Java, right? So J byte value, A byte value, V byte value, and A byte value, it is stored in the array. And array I can print. So you missed this. See, I asked how can you print array? So this is the one, either for each loop or for loop you can use to print. You should remember all these things. These are basics I have given. That basics you are using in the subsequent topics. You should know that how to use these concepts. So the concepts are very important. Whenever you get, I want to print an array means you can use either for each loop or for loop. You should tell that because you haven't practiced that. That's why you are going back again and you are forgetting everything. So every topic you have to practice more number of times and keep sitting. You have to sit. You are not doing that. That's what it is. See, you have to make a lot of effort and 4, 5 hours, 6 hours, 7 hours you have to spend, but you're not putting that effort at all. I don't see that in all these days, and you're just wasting time. I don't like that. So if you want to learn strictly, spend time. That's what I'm expecting from you. And but you are till now you are not coming so with a great value what I am expecting. I want you because you have ability. You have to come up with that. Okay, so that's what I'm expecting from you. Every topic, you plan it properly. 1 hour or 1 hour for revision and 2, 3 hours for practice, 1 hour for theory, 1 hour for programs. Like that, plan it. You don't have anything to do, right? Now you're going work or school. I can understand that. The working people are doing and you are not working, you are not doing any, hard work. That's a bigger, worry for me. Because once Java not perfect, you won't fit for the Selenium. If you are not perfect on Java, no use starting Selenium. If you're not good with, Java, there is no use. You won't understand single point also there without Java. All OOPS concepts, all basics, variable declaration. See, even you're struggling with variable declaration also. That's more worry for me. That's lack of practice only that will happen. Right? So you have to write more every day one program, keep writing programs, keep remembering the concepts. That's what you need to do, but you're so completely missing. I don't know why. So other navigations you keep side while when you are learning something new. Otherwise, it's very difficult to get the subject. Because these are not easy, right? Easy things, then you can, and you can put 1 hour or something, but this is not enough. 1 hour is not enough here. So here you need to remember every method. And how can you remember if multiple times you keep reading this, practicing them, applying them in different ways? You have a lot of info in the Google, and you practice that. That's the way you have to do. Then it's going to be easy for you. Okay, so the next method is compare to method. So compare to is you give the string and you can compare with other string. So this string will be compared with other string. If S1 length is greater than S2, but not length, it's not length, sorry. It's a character by character will be compared lexicographical. That means ASCII code wise. ASCII code wise, it will check which ASCII code in this string ASCII code is greater than this string ASCII code of that letter. Then it will return a positive value. The difference of these two ASCII characters, ASCII code difference will return to you. So if S1 less than S2 means a negative value will be returned. If S1 double equal to S2, then it will return 0. That means both are equal. Same characters, same ASCII code. Then how can you get the length of a string without using inbuilt method? Generally, how can you get the length of a string using length method? But you should not use a length method. How can you get that? This is the interview question. This kind of questions they will ask in the interview. So system.out.print length of S is, so you can use compare to method, but don't give any other string, and which string length you want, that string dot compare to, and don't give a next string, you just put an empty string. Then you will get a length of this string. So how to compare this S1? So comparing S1 with S2 using compare to method, S1 dot compare to S2. See, S1 is a Java Selenium all lowercase. S2 is Java Selenium all cap letters. So lowercase ASCII codes you should know. Uppercase ASCII codes you should know. So lowercase ASCII codes starts with 92, right? So 97, sorry, 97. And lowercase alphabets ASCII code starts with the 65. Capital A 65 or small a 97. The difference you see that. So here lowercase is the bigger one. So that's why you will get a positive number with this. Here S2 is uppercase. So S2 value is a Java Selenium in capital letters. S1 is lowercase. S2 dot compare to S1. So then you can use negative value you will get here. Same here, S1 dot compare to S3. S1 and S3 both are equal. Both are same. So that's why you will get a 0 here. So that's the compare to method. Lexicographically, it will compare both the characters same in the strings or not. There is a join method. So join method basically, it will join all the strings with a given delimiter. Delimiter can be anything. And you can join multiple strings with the same delimiter. So that's this is this static return type method. So how can you call the static return type methods? How can you call static return type methods? What is the formula?
Just the method name in the main method, no?
No, that's wrong.
Oh,
See, static return type method means, so one class static return type method, another place where you can, how can you call? Join is a which class this join method is there? Which class this join method is there? Which class methods we are discussing now, sir?
string.
String class. This is the string class join static method, but which is going to return a value. Then what is the return type static method? How can you call in another class?
String variable name.
The data type of
Yep.
this method is string data type variable name equal to class name dot static method. So class name is a string class. Why I didn't call here a string class here for all this? Why I'm not calling for all this string class? Why only for this? Why I'm not calling string class for all this? I'm using this reference variable only. Why? Why? So we are using a reference variable. Why you are using here string class? What is the reason, sir?
Sorry, I forget.
So you go and refer the first to read the methods and answer. Give me the answer tomorrow, okay? Yeah. Read the methods topic and come back and give me the answer for this. Okay. So now when I put this delimiter and all these strings are joined with this delimiter, then value of another method, it's a overloaded method. Say value of char c, value of int I, value of object obj, value of float f, value of boolean. So like that you have so many overloaded methods. Why it is a overloading? I am saying in the string class, this method is there, but overloading with the different parameters. Method name is same, but parameters are different. That's a method overloading example. You can give this also. So what this value of method will do? It convert the given object into string format. And return type of this method is string object it returns. So the return type of that method, variable name equal to string class dot value of method, and I'm giving 25. So this will be 25 number I have given, integer, that will be converted into string format. Now when I add s plus s11, so s is a Java, s11 is a, what is s11 value? 25 in string format. So you will get a Java 2.5. So when I use S11 plus 3, 4, so what is the output you will get here?